Every powerful electric motor begins with something most people consider worthless: old air conditioners. Every incoming air conditioner is inspected before recycling begins. The process starts by separating damaged units from reusable components. Refrigerant is safely recovered before dismantling. This step prevents harmful gases from entering the atmosphere. The outer housing is removed to expose valuable internal parts. Each component is separated for specialized recycling. The compressor contains valuable steel and copper. It is carefully removed for separate processing. Copper coils are among the most valuable materials inside an air conditioner. They are separated without excessive contamination. The stripped steel housing is reduced into recyclable fragments. This prepares the metal for automated separation. Non-ferrous metals continue to the next process. Advanced separation technology isolates copper from aluminium. Purity is essential for manufacturing new electric motors. The recovered copper is cleaned to achieve high purity. This refined material is now ready to become the core of powerful electric motors. High-purity recycled copper is melted inside an induction furnace. Removing impurities ensures maximum electrical conductivity. The molten copper is continuously cast into solid rods. These rods will become high-conductivity winding wire. The copper rod is stretched into precision winding wire. Each stage improves dimensional accuracy. A thin insulating coating protects every copper winding. This prevents electrical short circuits inside the motor. The stator core forms the magnetic heart of the motor. Laminated steel helps reduce energy losses. Computer-controlled winding ensures perfect coil placement. Precision winding is essential for motor efficiency. Insulating varnish strengthens and protects the winding. The curing process improves durability and reliability. The rotor is assembled with micron-level precision. Accurate alignment reduces vibration during operation. Dynamic balancing eliminates unwanted vibration. Every rotor is calibrated for smooth, efficient operation. Precision bearings reduce friction and extend motor life. With the rotor complete, the electric motor is ready for final assembly. The balanced rotor is precisely inserted into the stator. A perfect air gap is essential for smooth motor performance. The end covers secure the rotor inside the motor. Accurate alignment reduces friction and noise. Every bolt is tightened to an exact specification. Consistent torque ensures long-term reliability. The electrical terminals connect the motor to its power source. Every connection is inspected for safety. High-voltage testing confirms electrical insulation. Only safe motors continue to production. Each recycled motor is tested under real operating conditions. Performance data must meet strict factory standards. Noise and vibration are carefully measured. A well-balanced motor runs quietly and efficiently. A protective powder coating shields the motor from corrosion. The finish is cured for maximum durability. Each motor receives a permanent identification mark. This ensures complete production traceability. Every recycled motor undergoes one final inspection. Only approved units are prepared for packaging and shipment. Each electric motor is carefully protected for transport. Shock-resistant packaging helps prevent shipping damage. The package is securely sealed before shipping. Every box is checked for strength and durability. Every package receives a unique tracking identity. This ensures complete traceability from factory to customer. Robotic palletizing improves speed and consistency. Each pallet is stacked for safe transportation. The stretch film keeps every carton firmly in place. The shipment is now protected against movement during transport. The finished motors are stored until customer orders are ready. A modern warehouse keeps every shipment organized. Customer orders are matched with the correct pallets. Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory. The completed electric motors are loaded for delivery. Every pallet is secured to prevent movement during transport. The finished motors are now ready for customers around the world. The journey from scrap air conditioner to valuable industrial product is complete. What began as discarded air conditioners has become a powerful, high-performance electric motor. This transformation, the recycled motor is now powering real industrial equipment. It performs with the same reliability as a newly manufactured motor. Advanced inspections confirm stable operating temperatures. Low vibration ensures a long service life. Every production batch undergoes endurance testing. This verifies long-term durability and reliability.
Only motors meeting strict quality standards receive final approval. Every unit is fully documented for traceability.
The finished motors are shipped to industries around the world. Recycled materials now support modern manufacturing. The recycling process never stops. New shipments of discarded air conditioners arrive every day. Nearly every major material inside an air conditioner can be recovered. This greatly reduces waste and conserves natural resources. What once cooled buildings now powers industrial machinery. This transformation highlights the value of advanced recycling. Modern recycling helps recover valuable resources. It also reduces the demand for newly mined raw materials. Engineering precision transforms recovered materials into dependable machines. Every stage is designed for efficiency and quality. From discarded equipment to precision engineering, this electric motor represents the full potential of industrial recycling. Inside this massive recycling factory, yesterday's air conditioners become tomorrow's powerful electric motors.